The Elite 301 Lite PC Case by Cooler Master offers an excellent balance of compact design and high airflow, making it ideal for minimalist setups. This case provides ample space for powerful graphics cards, accommodating models up to 365 millimeters long, which is perfect for high-end gaming setups. With support for a 280mm liquid cooler and up to 6 fans, it ensures that your system stays cool even under heavy loads. The sleek design includes a fully black coating and a power supply unit cover, resulting in a clean and professional appearance. A large intake grill and a 120mm fan work together to deliver smooth and efficient performance. Its compatibility with Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards makes it a versatile choice for a variety of builds.